Hello friends, in this video we will take a better look on how to use ADXVMA in our trading. In the first video on ADXVMA, I showed you how you can use it as a trend filter to capture trends in EURUSD on daily and weekly chart. See how nicely it holds the trends. This is daily ADXVMA of 8 periods, and this is weekly ADXVMA of 8 periods. I use median price, ADXVMA of median price, not close but median price. It tends to be more accurate. See how nicely it caught all the trends on weekly. And when we had been looking at this chart last time during my first ADXVMA video, I told that price was somewhere here, and I told that price is likely to test weekly ADXVMA, and this is exactly what happened. Now we will go on lower time frame, 4 hours, where we automatically have 4 hours ADXVMA of the median price. Number 4 is median in MQL5. So see how price touched weekly ADXVMA. At the same time it also touched Camarilla R3 monthly reversal level, where price tends to reverse, and it reversed back to the monthly close. Okay, so usually when price comes to this opening range, Camarilla opening range, it either tends back to the reversal level or goes to the other side. Obviously price will now reach R3 reversal level here, and most likely will also reach daily ADXVMA 8 periods here. So we will be looking for shots from this level. I actually was thinking to short from here, but I didn't get the signal. You see, price never closed below 4 hours ADXVMA. We didn't have a signal to short it further, once again perhaps to weekly ADXVMA. But we got plenty of signals from 4 hours ADXVMA as it had been moving down. And I was actually shorting this move here, but I exited at I caught like 35 pips. I exited at 0.755 here. I caught maybe this move, well, was maybe 40 pips. This move I caught actually because 1.75 is a round number level from 250 pips around levels. And price tends to reverse there, but you see it pocket below 175, and you see it reversed precisely around 175, round number. It's another lecture round numbers, 250 round number spans in EURUSD, how they work. So you see price is moving now higher, but it's still in bearish on daily. To call a bearish bull trend, it has to close above the daily ADXVMA, then it will be a bullish uptrend on daily and weekly if it closes above this here. But most likely it will poke through, and it will still go one more leg down to 175. Perhaps it will break this low. So very likely if I see a rejection at this level here, I will be shorting down again. So I'm waiting now for this to happen. I can show you another filter that you can use in your trading when you're using this strategy. A simple moving average 16 of the highs, and simple moving average 16s of the lows. It comes like a moving average channel then. And we can also add 16 of the median price, exponential median price. Let's put it black. Okay, you use this channel on 1 hour chart to filter out as a trend signal. So we go to 1 hour chart, and now you see I told you that you can trade rejections from 4 hours ADXVMA, but you can also use signals based on 16 EMA of the highs and 60 EMA of the lows, a channel on 1 hour chart. Look, I thought to go long here when price closed above the channel. You see, we got the long signal when prices on 1 hour chart closed above this channel, and it also rejected from weekly ADXVMA, and you see ever since it never closed below the 1 hour 16 EMA channel. And also here you see how nicely the 16 EMA channel held the trend. You could also trade off it or stay in the trade as long as price is within 16 EMA 1 hour channel. Usually it respects it very well, and signals come when price closing below or above the channel. Like here you see you got shorts when price closed on daily below 8 period daily ADXVMA. You got shorts from 1-2 shorts here, and then it closed above, and instead you see we could catch all this trend uptrend, but it would be too risky because price was below daily ADXVMA, but this was safe. This trading of the 16 EMA channel was safe here, as you see, all the way down. It gave fake closure here, just one close, no, two closes, 2 or 3 closes, fake ones, but you would ignore them because you knew that price is below daily and 4 hours. But this was a true signal to short when price closed below the channel at 1 o'clock when at the opening of American session on the 1st of April. This was a signal to go short upon this close, and you could safely target 8 ADXVMA weekly. I wasn't this short, but I already entered even before price closed below the channel. I was already short from here because I use it 4 hours as a trigger line. But it's an extra confirmation for you close below or above 16 EMA channel, which you can supplement while trading ADXVMAs as a enter signal, enter or exit signal. It's usually if price is closing below or above it, it has a meaning. You see, price was staying here below, then it closed above here, rejected from 4 hours. Yeah, this is what I want to show you. 16 EMA channel, 16 EMA of the highs, 16 EMA of the lows, and 16 EMA of the median, which you can use as filter on 1 hour chart to confirm entries when you are trading ADXVMA daily and weekly. So once price rejects from this area, most likely it will reject, most likely, and closes below the channel 16 EMA on 1 hour, it will be a sure sign to go short. But now it went hyperbolic, really, like very sharp move. It created price imbalance. You see, this is called price imbalance. When price is very thin, usually those price imbalances get filled, so we'll start trending down efficiently with pullbacks from this area, most likely. You see, here is another price imbalance, price filleted all the way. You see, price tends to fill such price imbalances, thin moves by trading with pullbacks forth and back. It's very common. So 16 EMA channel, you can even use it in your mobile app. This is automatically changes to 4 hours. We don't need it actually here. Well, you can also use it on 4 hours instead of you can remove 4 hours ADXVMA, let's say so, and use the channel 16 EMA of the highs and 16 EMA of the lows as your trend filter on minor time frames. Yeah, you could go short from this channel as all the time as price was moving down here, especially below daily ADXVMA. When it closed here below the channel, it was a signal to go short because price was below daily, and we could short all the way to the weekly 92 pips. This is what I want to show you. 16 EMA channel for entries and exits when you are trading ADXVMA. And Camarilla, of course, is very useful because you know how to use Camarilla. The pinkish lines are reversal levels. Price tends to reverse. This bluish line in the middle, it's a close, monthly close of previous month. And this is a breakout level, the ceiling. And this is the floor, another breakout level to the bottom. And this is breakout target, black line. So if price breaks through this, it usually goes to the black line. Price breaks here through the floor, it goes to the black line. Not always, but most of the times. And those are very nice to target, the pinkish lines. Price really reaches them nearly always once it starts trading below the opening range, below the close. And if once it's below ADXVMA 8 period daily, it will almost for sure hit this reversal level, pinkish. You see, if you would use it for the close, if I change it to the close and close is 0, you see what happens? Price didn't make it. It didn't reach the close. It's not that accurate as median, or if you change it to the close. Median price tends to be more accurate. It's 4. 4 is median. So this is what I wanted to show you. All the best to you guys. Peace and blessings from Iceland. Be well. God bless you.